Welcome to another prepper video. Okay, I'm going to talk about what I have in my food storage or what I try to stock up on. So I am going to start from this one, that way I can remove the cans. Okay, I know it's not that important, but having something sweet like fruits, because these are in syrup. This one is light, and see, this is a mixed fruit and this is pineapple, and I do use a lot of pineapple in my kitchen, so I always try to make sure that I have enough. Yep. And whatever fruits that you like, stock up on those, just to have something sweet. Okay, another one that I have to have in my pantry or my food storage are corn. I know corn is not that important, and beans. I do have a recipe that I usually use with the beans. Or, yeah, the string beans, okay? So I have these ones, and I have the little thicker ones. I don't know what, but these are important. And what I can add to that is, there's a few dishes that I like, but one of them is I fry it with this. And make sure that's fried beans with this, or fry with that. And I will share those recipes. Oh, I shared the corn with the bisupo, or the corned beef. These are imported from New Zealand. So I can make it with this, or I can make it with that. And that's another meal right there. Okay, so that's important. And of course, beans. We like chili. We do have the ones in the bags, the big bags. But, you know, when you're trying to feed your family in an emergency situation and you don't have water, these are the best to have. Talk about these, sorry. So I have kidney, black beans, and pinto. These two I usually make my own, but I also do the cans just in case there's no water. And then I always make sure that I also rotate it. And then the other one that is important to me also. Oh, I guess I had a couple of this. Wait. Oh, this is the chili one. I apologize. This is chili. This is kidney. Okay. This is chili with sauce. And then pork and beans, of course. We don't eat a lot of this, but sometimes, probably once every 3 months. But hey, when you're hungry, you're hungry. And then, of course, I have canned chili. I use this for enchilada or for chili, you know, the recipe, the chili recipe. And then, of course, diced tomatoes and spaghetti sauce. I have to have these. And then also cream of chicken. I use a lot of cream of chicken also because I have a son that loves hamburger casserole. And I believe I also share that recipe. Okay. So another thing that you always got to make sure that you have in your food storage is how are you going to eat the cereal. Okay, I've never tried this. So because I have autistic boys, and it's hard to, but I do use the milk, dry milk in my recipes, so it's okay. But I figured all of us fail, we're going to use dry milk. Somebody else said there was another product that you can use, and it tastes like the regular milk you know, vitamin D. I haven't tried it yet, but if I find it, because I haven't found it yet, then I will share it. And then I also have condensed and evaporated milk. I thought I had evaporated milk up here, but okay. So if you're making your own bread, of course, for all the preppers, because you know, if you're a prepper, you make your own bread. Well, at least most of us do. You need some spread for your so I have my last bottle of strawberry, and then I have I think 3 more grapes, and then also peanut butter. Peanut butter is a good source of protein also. And here's my, oh, you can see this one. For spaghetti, even though I have spaghetti sauce and the other spaghetti, I also like to keep these in my food storage because I can make something really quick without using water. That's if we have water shortage, which I hope we will never have. But things have changed so much. So I can also make a meal with these two. It's kind of poly mix kind of meal. And then, of course, I have to have chili because I have a son with no beans. I have an autistic boy that loves chili. Then Spam, of course. Spam, shared the recipe already. And tuna, use tuna. I love fish. And also chicken. This is, I do buy a lot of these because we do use it for sandwiches. And then this is something I started to add to my beef stew. I gotta make sure that I start making food using beef stew also. The thing with my family is we don't eat out of cans because if we do, it would be this and this, maybe this, and then the sauces that I use. But we don't like everyday make. So I know if everything goes south and you gotta survive, just want to make sure that these are there. Because 1 can is enough for us for a couple of days of this. And then, yeah. So that's some more information on prepping and what I have. And another thing that I have downstairs that I did not bring up was, you know, dry mix. But I'm going to do another video of what kind of dry mix that I do use. Okay, thank you for watching.